Happy holidays. We went to Berkeley today, and there's a near legendary game store there, called Games of Berkeley appropriately. Sorry, we're being distracted by a cat. Anyway, we went there and been there several times before. They just moved from the long-term space on the street called Shattuck, and I think they're now on Durant, off of hey sweetheart, off of Telegraph, and I found some amazing things there. Sweetheart, come here. Come here. Good girl. You're okay. Good girl. Alright. So, this was one of the gems we found there. Hero Realms, the ruin of Thandar. I always want to call it Thanadar. Guess it sounds better. Alright. So let's open this up. Sweetheart, come on. Good girl. Hope you're enjoying your holiday. I've been busy covering city events for my job, and I was actually able to cover one. I guess we have a sister city in Kitakami, Japan, and they had some representatives there at an ale house, so I was able to go there. They also had a band local to the city, Kitakami, playing. It was quite brilliant. Anyway, let me do a quick read through of the back. Adventure awaits. Gather your friends, choose your characters, fight together against deadly foes. This Ruin of Thandar campaign deck transforms Hero Realms into a cooperative adventuring deck-building game. Go on a quest with your team of heroes, complete missions, and earn experience points that you can spend between sessions to gain new skills and abilities. Win precious treasures including powerful magic items that you can add to your character's starting deck. This Hero Realm expansion provides 3 unique missions for 1 to 5 players and contains 150 game cards, 8 oversized Master Villain cards, a rule book, and an adventure book. Interesting. I like that it has a 1-player variant. That's quite nice for me. Alright, so let's open this up. Here's the instruction booklet. Let's see if it has any. What's it say in here? Introduction. In this expansion, there are 3 different cooperative encounters. In each encounter, 1 to 5 players work together, battling against the forces of evil, referred to as the Master. Each player chooses one of the Hero Realms character packs, and will play as that character for all 3 encounters. After you complete each encounter, you might find treasure cards and/or earn character points, which you can spend to buy new cards and improve your character. Alright, not much different from the back. Adventure book. Okay, this is cool. Chapter 1. Alright, so maybe I could do some videos reading the stories of this. Excellent art. Also, I saw the latest Star Wars movie today. It's not something I wanted to do, but it was free, so... And I liked it a lot more than I wanted to. I didn't want to like the movie, but it was really quite good. Okay, let's see here. Come on. So these are the oversized MasterCards. And I'm not talking about the credit card. Okay, this first one is called Katakan, Flesh of Iron, Master. I almost called them Kraken. Sorry. This other one is the Laughing Shadow Master. This one is called Ingarash, the Insatiable. This one's called Slaughterclaw. And this one is the Ruinos and Archpriestess. Ritual is complete. Go to chapter 9 of the adventure book. Huh. Interesting. This one is the Vexing Imp. This one is the Ruinos Zealot. I always want to say Zealot, but I hear it pronounced Zealot too many times. This is the Enthralled Regulars. Alright, so I'm going to try to prop this up a little higher so the light doesn't reflect as much. Now I was kind of hoping that I'd be able to fit this series or set into the Hero Realms storage box. And it looks like we might be able to, but I guess I'll have to check that out later. Alright, so that's a lot of cards we have here. I'll try to go through them as quickly as possible. There we go. I'm sorry, I'm always very delicate with these things. Now the storage box for Hero Realms this year came with a healthy amount of sleeves. And really good sleeves too. You could probably see that in my review also, but they're really thick and opaque. And unfortunately, they don't give you extra sleeves for, I guess, any upcoming expansions or anything like that. So I'm going to probably have to get some more. But let's look at these cards. This one is called Flame Burst. Right. Or is that Blast? No, it's Burst. And this one's Blast. Fire Blast and Flame Burst. Right, same picture, different wording, possibly effects. Fireball. Rolling Fireball. Scorching Fireball. Barreling Fireball. Explosive Fireball. Wow, the stock on these cards is really impressive too. They're nice and thick and double-sided. What? I'm sorry, I didn't even... That's interesting. Alright. So maybe you're not supposed to sleeve these then. I'm not sure of the reasoning for it. Let's see, are they the same both front and back? Explosive Fireball. Explosive Fireball. It looks like it. Huh. Alright. So these must be some kind of... I don't know. I can't comment on it. I'm sure somebody else already has. Searing Fireball, Channel, Deep Channel, Calm Channel, Soul Channel, Pure Channel, Serene Channel, Precision Blow, Powerful Blow, Crushing Blow, Sweeping Blow, Smashing Blow, Whirling Blow, Mighty Blow, Veteran Follower, Okay, now these are, let's see, where does it stop? Oh, it stopped right there, right? So these cards all here so far are double-sided. Same on the front and the back. And these are single-sided with the Hero Realms logo on the opposite side. Redeemed Runos, Ever-Burning Candle, Bright Star Shield, Seasoned Shield Bearer. Okay, I'm thinking some of these, those ones that I just pulled, are possibly the treasures you get at the end of an adventure. Double-Bladed Axe, Hand Scythe, Jagged Spear, Honed Black Arrow, I was going to say Horned, Light Crossbow, Snake Pet, Snake Pet, Unending Quiver, Keen Throwing Knife, Sacrificial Dagger, Enchanted Garret, Knife Belt, Blazing Staff, Serpentine Staff, Silver Skull Amulet, Arcane Wand, Runos Disciple, Runos Disciple, Runos Disciple, Runos Disciple. And there's different colors in the corners there. And I haven't read the directions, I don't know much about this game yet, so I can't really say what they're for. Runos Enforcer, Enforcer, Enforcer. Biting Imp. Biting Imp, Biting Imp, Biting Imp. Twisting Bolt. Twisting Bolt. 2 of those. Charging Drunk. Cool. Charging Drunk, Charging Drunk, Charging Drunk. Crazed Bartender. That's something for Red Dragon Inn, yeah? Broken Tables and Chairs. Temporary Insanity. Ruinous Vampire. Ruinous Ambusher. Clinging Imp. Almost said Changeling, I apologize. Escape. Captive. Ruinous Chanter. Right? Well, I'm excited and intrigued by this. I'm eager to learn more about this game. Hope I get to play it someday. I've got a large package coming tomorrow from the Not Cool Mini or Not, what is it? Miniature Market. I bought a ton of things I shouldn't have on the Black Friday sale or Cyber Monday is what it was. Yeah. So I'll be doing some unboxing videos for that. Alright, so these are character cards for the different characters. We've got Wizard. It's male and female on each side, I believe, yeah. Thief. Ranger. Fighter. Cleric. Okay, so we do have some more of the double-sided cards here, so we'll take care of those first. Let's see. And I'll try to keep them separate. Don't know their purpose yet, but we'll figure it out. So we've got the Devastating Blow, Shoulder Bash, Knock Back, Shoulder Smash, Knock Down, Group Tackle, Shoulder Crush, Minor Resurrect, Lesser Resurrect, Resurrect, Battle Resurrect, Holy Resurrect, Mass Resurrect, Righteous Resurrect, Divine Resurrect, Bless of Iron, yeah, okay, Bless of Heart, Bless of Steel, Bless of Flock, and Bless of Soul. Right, so I'll put this in the stack of double-sided cards here. Oh, looks like we missed a few. Oh, a lot more than we thought. Flawless Track, Relentless Track, Instinctive Track, Careful Track. Okay, so these cards are definitely seeming more character specific. Fast Track, Triple Shot, Long Shot, Snapshot, Twin Shot, Quick Shot, Headshot, Well Placed Shot, Steady Shot, Lift, Distracted Exchange, Misdirection. I've been trying to remember that word forever. I'm sorry, but I have absolutely no context for that, but yeah, I was looking for a magician's term for what they use to distract you when they're trying to perform the trick, and that's called the misdirection. Swipe, sleight of hand, another magician term, pickpocket, masterful heist, smooth heist, practiced heist, skillful heist, and a timely heist. Right, so those are all for the thief, I'm guessing. Now, these are the single-sided cards. We have Ruinos Chanter, Stone Golem, Fire Pentagram, Ruinos Zealot, seen that before, Vexing Imp, Mastery. Okay, I think these are going to be like mana cards or something, magic cards, gold, whatever. Elixir of Endurance, Elixir of Fortune, Elixir of Concentration, Elixir of Strength, Elixir of Wisdom, Steel of Karakan, almost said Kraken again, Pilfer, Theft, Heist, oh, did it again, I'm sorry, Tooth of Ngarish, Shard of Slaughterclaw, that's cool, and Stone of Laughing Shadow. Alright, I'm going to have to read up on how to play this game. I'm very intrigued by it. Please forgive my ignorance. I'm also very intrigued by the single player variant, or whatever you want to call it. So then, this was the Ruin of Thandar expansion, adventure expansion for Hero Realms. Look forward to playing it. Next up, we'll be doing an unboxing video for the Centipede game. This will be a separate video. Thanks for watching.